Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 5.3 chapter number 5 arithmetic progression question number 3. You can see here there are several parts of this question and different type of situations are given. In the first given a equal to 5, d equal to 3, a n equal to 50, find n and sn, and in the second a equal to 7, a 13 equals to 35, and find d and s13. So different things are given here, different type of situations are here. So I am going to pick some of the difficult part and I am going to solve that. So I am going to start my this question with the question with my second part, that is given a equal to 7, a 13 equals to 35, find d and s13. So look at the question. Here a is given as 7, a 13 as 35. We have to find d and s13. So a is equals to 7. A13 is given here. I'm not having D and I'm not having S13. So N is here, A is 7, N is 13, A13 is 35. So I can substitute the value of A13 here, A plus 13 minus 1, that is 12D equals to 35. Put the value of A here, 7 plus 12d equals to 35. It will be 12d, 35, 7 comes on this side, it will become negative, and 12d equals to 28, d equals to 28 by 12, it will be, goes on the table of 4, 4 7s the 4 3s the, so 7 by 3 is the value of d. I have to calculate S13, so d we have calculated it, d equals to 7 by 13, and my next part is S13. S13 is the formula 13 by 2, n by 2, I am going to put the formula n by 2 a plus l, because we have to calculate 13, the term, sum of the 13 terms, and 13 term is given, first term is given, 13 term is given, first term is given and the last term is given, so I can apply this formula Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. So n by 2 means n is 13 here, by 2, and the first term is 7 and last term is 35. So I am getting here 13 by 2 into 35, 7, so plus 7 is 42, and I am going to cancel it. 13 into 21 is equals to 273. So this is the question number third question, second part, and I am going to discuss the next question also. This is my sixth part of the same question. So that is somehow a little bit difficult, you can say. So I'm going to discuss the pattern or the concept how we solve that. Given a equals to 2, d equals to 8, and Sn equals to 90, find n and an. In all the parts, different type of situations are there, and we have to find the somewhere a d, somewhere a, somewhere a, and somewhere s something. So here I'm not having n first. So Sn is given as 90. You can check n by 2. An is not given, so I can't apply the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equals to 90, so I am going to apply the formula for finding the sum of nth term, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I am having a, I am having d, I am having Sn. So I am going to substitute all the values in this formula. Sn equals to 90, and we have to calculate 2a. A is 2 and plus n minus 1. D is 8. Substitute the value here. What will you get? 90 into 2, it will be 180. And then n by 2, 2 goes there. N only left here, and 2 is the 4. And I am going to open this bracket. 8 multiplied by n is 8n, and 8 minus 1 is minus 8. Now 90 into 2, 180 in my next step. 4 into n, 4n. n multiplied by 8n is 8n square. n multiplied by minus 8 is minus 8n. Minus 8n plus 4n is minus 4n, and 8n square as such, and take 180 on the other side, it will become negative, equal to 0. Now I am going to take 4 common out of the whole terms. So when you take 4 common, it will become 2, it will become 1, and it will become 45. Take the 4 on the other side. I am going to solve it here. Take 4 common, it will become 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. Take this 4 on the other side, when it is divided by 0, it will become 0. 2n square minus n minus 45. So from this quadratic equation I can easily do the factorization by splitting the middle term, that is minus 10 plus 9 minus 10 plus 9 minus 45, because I know 2 multiplied by 45 is 90 as we have done in the 9th class. So 50 into 45 into 2 is 90 and 10 9 is the 90. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. So take firstly 2n common, and from these two factors take 9 common. Now take n minus 5 common and you are left with 2n plus 9 equal to 0. Now equate these two terms equal to 0. N minus 5 equal to 0, it will become n equal to 5. 2n plus 9 equal to 0, it will become minus 9 by 2. So these are the values of 5. 5 is the value and minus 9 by 2 is the value for n. As I have discussed in my previous video, in the previous exercise, the n must be an integral number. It cannot be in fraction. So I am going to reject this part, minus 9 by 2, I am going to reject this. So I will take n equals to 5. So here n is equals to 5 the answer, and we have to calculate an also. An means a5, we want to calculate a, substitute the value of a from a equal to 2, put it here. N is 5 minus 1 and d it is given in the question, 8 is given here. 2 plus 4 into 8, that is 32. 2 plus 32 equals to 34. That is the answer of question number 6. And again I am going to solve the question number 9. Sorry. So in the 9th part, given that a equal to 3, n equals to 8 and s equals to 192. S, you can say s or you can say Sn, find d. Sn equals to 192, because what is the meaning of s? S is sum of the n terms, and s I am going to denote it by Sn. And the formula for Sn is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because last term is not there, I am not going to apply the formula n by 2 a plus l. So 192 is there. Substitute the value of n here in n and a here in 2a. 2a, n is 8, d we have to calculate equals to 192. These two will be considered 4, 6 plus 7d. Take 4, open this bracket, it will become 24 plus 28d. Take this 24 on the other side, it will become 168. And divide this 28 by 168, you will get, after cutting on the table of 7, it will be 24 by 4, and 24 by 4 it will become 6. So the value of d is equals to 6, and we have to calculate 6. So this was my question number 3. All the different type of parts I have solved here. So these are the methods by which you can solve these type of questions. So wait for my next video for further questions. Thank you very much.